This video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install analysis service in Visual Studio 2022. So first here open Visual Studio 2022, then open any of the project. Okay, let's open C plus or anything project. Then you need to go on this extension, then click on this manage extension, or thereafter this is here search. So there you need to write analysis and wait for 2-3 seconds. Then you can get here Microsoft Analysis Service Project 2022. So this come from Microsoft, and here you need to click on this download button. So there directly, or you can see Microsoft Dare Tools Analysis Service, the file 3 to 1 MB. Okay, automatically it's come there. So it's downloading now. It will take some time, so I'm going to pause the video. Microsoft Dare Tools Analysis Service, the file that downloaded. After that you need to click on this open file, and here you can see VXIX installer. This is doing the initializing. Install Microsoft Analysis Service, Digital Signature, and Visual Studio Enterprise 2022. That's come there. If you are using community, then community comes, professional, then professional comes. After that you need to click on this install button, and there are so many things are open, so we need to click end task. Okay, click on this end task, and after that here you can see so many process is now ends, only one is left. It's also going to shut down. Now that's all shut down, and thereafter you can see installing Microsoft Analysis Service, and this is doing the modification of Visual Studio Enterprise 2022. The install complete, and Microsoft Analysis Service project on the Visual Studio Enterprise 2022 that has been successfully installed. After that, let's click on this close and open Visual Studio 2022. Thereafter, you need to go on this create project. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth all are analysis service related, and this all project that's come there. If that not come there, you can search from here also. So if you write analysis, then you can see total files that's come there. After that you can select any of this one, and you can create the project. So I selected the first option, then after click on this create, and this is here multi-dimensional project, or just write multi one. Thereafter you need to click on this create button. So analysis service multi, that's come there, and thereafter here you can see creating project, it's successful. After that here data source view, you can get the data source, new data source, click on this next. Then after here let's click on this new. Then there I'm going to connect with SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server, that's already I have. Okay, so Microsoft ORDB driver data provider. Okay, then there you need to write the server name, that's going to give here local host. Then you can give Windows or SQL Server authentication. For SQL Server authentication, give the SA and the password. Then from here you need to select the database, click on this test, that's succeeded. After that click on this OK, then that's come there. After that next, and there you need to give the password, and thereafter click on next and click on this finish. Now Adam DS, that's come there. Okay, And thereafter here, this is cubes, this is dimension, and this is roles, assembly, and miscellaneous. So this is how we can install Microsoft Analysis Service inside Visual Studio 2022. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.